Ever struggle to find a comfortable spot at a crowded park? Or have a picnic turn into a backache because of uncomfortable seating? Well, get ready to be inspired. Today, we celebrate two brilliant inventors, John Cram and Nathaniel Alexander, who transformed the way we relax outdoors with their incredible invention, the folding chair. But this isn't just any chair. This is a chair that empowers you to create comfort anywhere. Imagine unfolding it and instantly having a personal haven at a concert, a campsite, even a small living space. Back in 1855, John Cram saw a problem and dared to dream of a solution. He invented a chair that folds flat, using a clever scissor-like mechanism. This wasn't just about convenience, it was about making comfort accessible to everyone, everywhere. John's invention was a game changer, and the story doesn't end there. Fast forward to 1911 and meet Nathaniel Alexander. He took John's genius and added a built-in bookrest. Now picture yourself reading your favorite novel, nestled in a comfy chair that folds up neatly. Pure portable bliss. These inventors inspire us to see the world as a place full of possibilities. They didn't accept limitations, they invented solutions. Now it's your chance to unleash your inner inventor. Grab some paper, cardboard, or any safe materials you have at home. Can you design your own folding creation? Maybe a table for your next game night, a portable fort for imaginative adventures, or even a funky folding hat? There are no limits. Remember, John Cram and Nathaniel Alexander started with a simple idea and transformed it into something extraordinary. You have the power to do the same. So unleash your creativity and fold your way to a future filled with possibilities. Folding chairs bring people together, create comfort on the go, and make life just a bit more enjoyable. So next time you see one, remember the inspiring story of John Cram and Nathaniel Alexander. They dared to dream big and change the world, one fold at a time.